Welcome to ScholarNets. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another math lesson. In this video, we are going to learn a very important topic in math that's called area. Today we will cover the area of rectangles and squares. So let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to find the area of squares and rectangles using the grid and using the formula. Now let's go and see what is area. First, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how much space your bed, your book, or even your room take? Or if I have a book and I placed it on a table, so what do you think I am covering? Yes, I am covering the space. This much space the book is covering. So the area, that is the area. So what is area? Area is the amount of space inside a 2D shape. It is the amount of space. And we measure area in a square unit like centimeter squares or meter square. So what is area? Area means the space inside a shape. Now look at this rectangle. Now how could you work out the area of the rectangle? This is a rectangle and it is made up of small square boxes. Each small square is called one square unit. This one is one square unit. One square unit. This is also one square unit. So each small square inside a rectangle is one square unit. So each square represent one square unit. Here it is centimeter, it is 1 centimeter square. So how we will find the area of this rectangle? We have to count the squares. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the area is 12 square unit. As there are 12 squares, so the area must be 12 square unit. I hope it's clear how to find the area of a rectangle using grid. This is a grid. The small squares inside a rectangle. We have to just count the how many squares are there in a rectangle, and that much will be the area of the rectangle. And one square represent one square unit. Always remember, one square is equal to one square unit, and the total number of square is equal to area. Understand? I hope it's clear how to find out the area of rectangle by counting the squares. So area is equal to, here this one is 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So area is equal to 1 centimeter square. Now let's solve some question related to this. Then you will get it easily. Here it says find the area of the rectangle. And here rectangles are given and you have to find the area of the rectangle. And as we know, one square is equal to one square unit. So what we have to do? We have to just count how many squares are there, and that will be the area of that rectangle. So let's take the number 1 first. Just mark it as number 1. So how we will find the area of the rectangles? We have to count how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the area for this one it will be 15 square unit. If it is given 1 centimeter, then it will be 15 centimeter square. If it will be 1 meter, it will be 15 meter square. Okay. Now let's see for the area of number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So area for this will be 8 square unit. Okay. Now for this one, number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be, area for this will be 10 square unit. And here it's saying 1 square is equal to 1 centimeter. So it will be 10 centimeter square. Okay. Or if you don't know what's the units, the centimeter or meter, you have to just write here that 10 square unit. Now let's check for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what will the area for this one? It will be 9 centimeters square or 9 square unit. Now let's take the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the area for this one will be 6 centimeters square. It's so easy. You have to just count how many squares are there, and that will be the area for that rectangle. You have to just count the squares. I think it's clear for all of you how to find the area of a rectangle if square grids are given. You have to just count it down, and that will be the area of that rectangle. Now let's check the main thing about the area of a rectangle. Sometimes counting every square can take a long time. So what is the option instead of counting the square? Mathematicians found a shortcut. And what is that shortcut? That is the area is equal to length times width. This is the formula for finding the area of a rectangle. If the rectangle is big and it's not possible to count each squares, then we use the formula to find the area. Okay, that is length times width. Here the length is given 4 centimeter and the width is given 2 centimeter. So how we can find the area of this rectangle? The formula is area is equal to length times width, and the length is 4 centimeter and the width is 2 centimeter. So what will be the area? 4 times 2 is 8 centimeter square. Okay. So always remember the formula for finding the area of the rectangle. That is A is equal to L times W. L represent length and W represent width. Okay, always keep in mind the formula for finding the rectangle. If the length and width are given, then you have to just use the formula and find it out the area of the rectangle. Now let's solve some question related to this one, the formula one. How we can find the area of the rectangle. Here in number 1, the length is 6 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. So how we will find the area? So area, what is the formula? Length times width. What is the length here? 6 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter. 6 times 4 is 24 centimeter square. So what is the area of this rectangle? 24 centimeter square. Same here. Length is given 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeters width, and this it will be, as we know, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So what's the formula? Same formula we have to use here. Don't confuse if both the lengths are given and the both sides the widths are given. You have to just use the formula for finding the area of rectangle. A is equal to L times W, that is length times width. That is 4 centimeter times 3 centimeter, and it will be 12 centimeter square. In this one, same formula we will use, and it will be 5 centimeter times 2 centimeter, that is 10 centimeter square. Here, what will be the area? Area is equal to L times W, that is 8 centimeter times 2 centimeter, is 16 centimeter square. Okay. First, you have to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Then match the answer whether you get it right or not. I hope you understand what's the formula for finding the area of the rectangle. First, we find the area by counting the squares. Then we'll learn the formula. What's the formula of the area of the rectangle? And then we find it out the area. I hope both the ways is clear to you. Now let's go and see how we can find the area of the square. Now look at this square. What is the special about a square? Yes, all sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. But in a square, all sides are equal. So what's the formula for finding the area of a square? It will be S square. So area of a square is equal to S square, and S represent sides. Okay. So how we can find the area of a square? That is side square. So area of a square is equal to side times side. Okay. If the sides are given 4 centimeter, here it will also be 4 centimeter. Here it is also 4 centimeter because all the sides are equal in a square. So what will be the area of a square? It will be 4 centimeter times 4 centimeter. That is 16 centimeter square. Or you can write area of a square is equal to side square. That is 4 centimeter square. 4 times 4 is 16 centimeter square. See, it's easy. Area of a square is just you have to multiply side times side. That will be the area of a square. I hope that you understand how we can find the area of a square and the area of the rectangle. In the area of a rectangle, what's the formula? Length times width. And in the area of a square, what's the formula? Side times side. Today, we learned what is area. Area means space inside a shape. That will be the 2D shapes, flat shape. What is the area? Means space inside a flat shape. And what's the formula for finding the area of a rectangle? That is length times width. And what is the formula for finding the area of a square? It is side times side. And you know where do we use area in real life? We can measure a room. What is the flooring of the room? And when we are buying a carpet, that time we find the area of the carpet and we have to see whether it will fit in our room or not. And then when we paint the wall, then we can see the area of the wall. So in real life, we always use the area. The area helps us measure how much space we need to cover. I hope it's simple and clear to everyone. If you have any problem, please let me know. I will try to explain it again. Practice a few questions related to area at home, and then I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing all the topics of math, and if you have not checked my previous videos about other topics, then just go and watch that one also. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with another math topic. Till then, keep practicing math. Bye.